and record BB dancing with the mirror. You see it? I'm scared to get too close. I'm trying to dance with that mirror. And he'll get on top of it too and start shaking like he's dancing. See how he's getting excited? You see him? Everybody wants to mate around here. I used to have a boy that would dance with on the ladder, and he would dance on that. It was so funny. But he would never have anything to do with the female. There's Rose. The BB spotted me, so he's going to stop now. The other ones are just kind of watching. I don't know where Jolly's at. Oh, there she is. Let's see, stop and come on over here. Hi, Jolly. It's hard to get them in there. Oh, Jolly's on the swing. There's Holly. On the other ladder. This is hard to do. In this corner here, it's kind of dark. Jolly's on a swing, on that circle swing. See? There is, what do we name this boy? I forgot. Never can remember that bird's name. I don't know if it's a boy or girl. Is Jessie? Is that it? And there's BB. Everybody got so quiet while looking in at them. Let's go here. I said a pretty boy again. There's Tweeter, and there's Skylar. Starting to look a little bit better. Cloud is behind them. Can't see him. I was going to make this a very short video. Let's go over here. There's Lemon. Beautiful, beautiful Lemon. See, doesn't he look like a girl? But he's not. Candy's in her box. I'm not Candy, Gigi. And Lily's in her box. She won't come out. And the other ones, they hide right over there. Always hiding right there beside. There's two of them. Sorry about the focusing. There is Violet, and the other one just went behind the box. There he is. Rio, the daddy to Gigi's babies. He looks a lot like his daddy, but he's not Teal. He looks more like Candy. As you see, he's a boy. Oh, that's why my camera's shaking around. I forgot I haven't zoomed in. Okay, I'm going to stop. It's 34 minutes.